Hey, my name is Eric, and in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to sign up for Postmates to be a driver for the service. So you're going to be delivering food to people that they've ordered through the app. What I'm going to be getting to later in the video is the terms and conditions that you should be aware of when you're looking at this, what's involved with the background check, and we'll kind of breeze through some of the early parts of this, but I also have a video at the end that shows you specifically how to use the app once you're actually set up and you're driving. So let's get into it. So one of the things that I want to highlight here is the info button. You get guaranteed earnings when you deliver. This will kind of depend on your location and what kind of promotions are going on, but it's just saying that in this particular time, a certain number of deliveries within 14 days earns you a guaranteed minimum payout. So click that info button when you get in there because it's going to be different depending on the time and your location. Per referral code, if you use my link in the description of this video, that will give you any kind of incentives or referrals that they are running at this particular time. This is a crucial step to make sure that they are available in your location. So I'm going to continue again and just put in the actual there. So I should mention at this point, you do need a driver's license, so we'll enter that information in. So this step in the authorization, I'll highlight just a couple sentences here, but it's just saying that basically that you're giving Postmates, their consumer reporting agency, the ability to investigate and verify information about me, including social security number, court and driving records, and I also understand that I'll automatically receive a free copy of my consumer report once it's completed. So in this particular case, what they're looking for are violent crimes or driving records, like a lot of speeding tickets or accidents, things like that, that they may deem you as being not fit for the position. So I'm going to click agree and then continue. So the next step here, background check. I've actually already done this before in the past, so I'll show you exactly what it looks like so you know what's going to be looked at on your report. So here is what it looked like. It's ran through a company called Checker, and they are giving you the disclosures there. So the report summary, social security trace, sex offender search, global watch list search, national search, that's for criminal, and motor vehicle report. So all of them in my particular case were clear. And I got one other attachment. This is just a summary of your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. They have to send this out by law with this consumer report that they have just put together on you. But this is good to know in case you're wondering what exactly is going to be reported. That is all right there for your consumption. So you can see right here that I had my copy of my background report, and that was October 14, 2019. Same day I got an email saying card activated, let's do some deliveries. So it says you're all set. You'll get a bag like this mailed to you, and it says ready to make your first delivery. Your prepaid card allows you to pick up orders from any store. How it works, open up your Fleet app and select go online, wait for a notification and select accept job. So the card that they send you as well, you can activate within the Postmates app, and then you're all set to go. What you might find interesting is on the screen here, I have done a side-by-side video of what it looks like when somebody orders and then you deliver that order. So you know exactly what's happening all the way through the process. You can watch that video. And like I said in the description of this video, I have a link for you to sign up. I will make a commission if you use my link and you do a delivery with Postmates, and I really appreciate it. And I thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.